So there we go, they get to a certain size, and when they get to that size, we'll get them to explode. So, to spawn those explosion particles, we want to say when the level starts, set up our class. So variables, true, false, I. This will be a class property called explosion particle. And from sensing we need class of myself. Get rid of myself. We want from sensing again, first instance by tag, explosion particle. So that's our explosion particle, and then we want to spawn it down here once our scale x is bigger than 1.5. So we're going to change this if to an if else. If else. And this means if scale x is not smaller than, that's when the else is going to happen. That's when that'll kick in. And here we want to explode. So let's make a function for that. Explode. Run that function inside the else part. Now this explode function, we want it to create a bunch of explosions. So number one, from draw we need create new instance of class. Change class to explosion particle, and we want to be positioning these objects, so we'll go to transform, set x position of instance, not of myself, and not to 0 but to x position of myself. That's from transform. And then we may want to add or subtract a number, so we'll put a plus block in there. X position myself plus, let's try plus 20. See what that looks like. Same thing for the y position. And then let's make it go in front of this object. So that's from looks, myself move in front of. We'll make it instance move in front of myself. And then once it explodes, we want it to destroy itself. So control flow, destroy myself. Let's test this out, see what happens. Let's try minus 100. Perfect.